Hello everyone and welcome to Autobots channel Kolkata. Today I have another unboxing gadget video for you. So this is something which I have purchased very recently from Amazon. I have previously purchased a karaoke speaker from Zebronics, and with that I received a karaoke mic which was of some average quality, and I thought of getting a good quality mic. So this is something which I have ordered from Amazon. This is Audio Array's AM-W32 UHF dual handheld wireless mic. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of this unit, and I'm going to show you what all we get from this device. So this is AM-W32 UHF dual handheld wireless mic from the company Audio Array, which is a very renowned company, and it has two anti-roll rings. It comes with a 3.5mm adapter, charging cable, a receiver to connect the mics, and two handheld microphones, and these are made of metal, so quite good quality. And behind the mic some specifications are given, like the brand name, the product model, connectivity, something about the company Audio Array, etc, etc. So this is the box pack, and the price written over here is 7,000, but I've got it for 3,800. This is the model AM-W32, about the year of import, which is January 2025, and place of origin is, of course, it's made in China product. So let's open it and let's see what are the things that we get from the box. So it's nicely packaged. So here is the operating instructions manual that comes with the box. Here are the two holders. It's made of rubber and of good quality. This is a rechargeable battery. I think this is for the adapter. This is 6.3mm to 3.5mm adapter. This is a USB cable for charging both the mics, because this is wireless charging mics. We get 3 rechargeable batteries, so 2 will go in the mics, and we have an additional battery in case any battery runs out. All the batteries are at 2000 milliampere. Yeah, we have 4 total batteries in the pack, so I'll keep it aside. And this is the mic. It's a little bit heavy and feels of a very good quality. Let me open one, and yes, it looks very premium. In fact, it's very good built. It's written wireless microphone over here. The company logo. Here is the digital display, so when I put in the batteries, the display will come on. And here is the port to charge the batteries, and we have a power on off button in the bottom. It's made of metal. In fact, we have another mic of the same build. This is metal, this is fiber, good quality polycarbonate, and this again is a metal mesh. And again, same thing, power on button in the bottom. We have a charging port, and if I open this section, so here the battery will go, and we have some controls here. So we have volume controls and the echo controls and the control to change the channel. So before I put in the battery, let me just see what else we get in the box. So this is the last component that we get in the box, and this is the main mic adapter. So this is a 6.3 adapter which goes into your audio device, and when you turn on, this will pick up the signals from the mic. So it also has a power on and off button. It has a USB Type-C port for charging, and also you can use this port to record your audio. So let me just keep this box aside. So this is everything that we get in the box. We have two dual wireless UHF mics. We have 4 batteries. 3 batteries will be used up by the system, and 1 is a spare battery. We have a charging cable, 6.3mm to 3.5mm adapter. We have the mic receiver and recorder. and 2 holders and 1 instruction manual. So this is everything. Now let me just put both the batteries in the mics. So here is how it opens, and this is made of metal, which is of very good quality. And let me insert both this holder as well. So this is how the mic looks after I put on the holder. So you have nice place to hold it. It gives a nice grip, and because it's made of rubber, and when you put it on, it does not scratch body of the mic. So let me just turn it on. So here you can see it is turned on. So battery is not fully charged, but that's okay. I'm going to charge both the batteries before using it. And here is the Type-C charging cable to charge it. So I'm just going to switch this off, and I'm going to repeat the same thing with the other mic also. So yeah, this is how the other mic looks, and let me just switch this one also. So again, the battery is half charged, and it's showing channel 1, and let me just keep it here and put the battery in the receiver. It's very easy to put in, and then if I turn it on, it's charged, and here both the mics are connected using the receiver. So if I put this device in my speaker, I'll be able to use both the mics. And we have a spare battery, charger, and the adapter. If you have a 3.5 mm jack, you can use this. So what will happen, you can just insert this. So now this becomes your 3.5 mm jack. And if you have a 6.3 mm jack, you just use it directly. So that's how it is. Let me just show you the mic that I have got along with the Zebronics Karaoke party speaker. So this is the UHF mic. It also has the digital display. So here it is, but this runs on AA batteries. It is not rechargeable, and we have very small display here. Show you the build. This is made of plastic, and the 2 batteries goes. The weight of this audio array mic is much better. In fact, the build quality, the look and feel, the size, you can see it gives a very nice feeling when you hold it than this one. But again, this comes as a complimentary. This you have to purchase additionally if you want, and I'm sure the sound quality of this one will be much better than the supplied karaoke mic. So now I'm going to connect these mics with my karaoke speaker, and I'm going to sing a song and give you an idea about the sound quality of the mics. It does feel nice, very good to hold, sturdy build, looks and feels very solid. So sound quality is expected to be much better than the supplied karaoke mic that I've got with the speaker. So let's connect these mics using this adapter, and let's hear the sound quality with the audio array dual wireless UHF mics. Let's go.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. Say it best when you say nothing at all. garner the crowd. Try as they may, they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand as you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face, the truth in your eyes, the touch of your hand lets me know that you leave me. You say it best when you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
So that was all about the audio array AM-W32 UHF dual handheld wireless mics. If you are planning to purchase an additional mic for your system, for your karaoke, or just to have some fun and sing along, this is a very good option, and it's also quite budget friendly. Again, it comes with rechargeable batteries, which is just icing on the cake, so you don't need to worry about buying batteries, disposable batteries or rechargeable batteries on your own. So yeah, that was my review on the audio array AM-W32 UHF dual handheld wireless mics. So do share if you have any questions about the product in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share it in your social community. See you soon in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.